Started by way of manifestation. What is the rule about that?
You have to get the opinion of the members. Yeah, you have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi pa ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula kayo.
Madam Chair, suggestion lang. May motion si Candel. Magtanong ka kung may objection. Kung may object na deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Follow the procedure. Oh, pag may objection, may deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition. Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pilutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako ba?
Incidental lang. Ako rin nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. You could have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection.
Bago po yun, Madam.
Yes, but sabi din,
I was asking for an access.
the answer is
Yung answer niya, please for your tradition.
Sabi ko mayroong tradition, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Sinasabi siya ko lang. Dapat sagutin muna. Kasi yung pala sagot, nag-move ka, nag-motion lang. Hindi nga eh.
Excuse po. Opo.
and it's extended at the start. At the start, it's extended before interpellation. This is required because the measure is suspended, and it is also introduced by a member, which will be part of the tradition. So it's not a there's no such authorization to step it aside.
magano na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record. Wala na dapat tayo. Ang nangyari, a barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well-kept by the Hindi nga, pinagtatanong ko siya. Meron pang pratinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano may pinagtatanong ko siya? These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya na, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, Madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may pratinela pa. Saan po ba nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pag-labing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nolini Castro. When the Vice President was Binay. When Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No promotion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. You did not make the
Sana may remotion siya ngayon.
That is the manifestation of the Constance Napolita, and it should be answered by the members. Motion, then after that, Napolita will want that motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot eh? Will we let it just Napolita to speak? And then move it to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yun. Or move a motion.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the issue.
Sagutin muna. Then saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. No, goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat members answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman ang tinatanong ko, pera naman natin. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede magsalita? We are also members, we just the same. Tandaan mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has to answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ng chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the chairman.
Bakit magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, back in, nagsalita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Diba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Because, ano yung chairman ng
Here is the version